This is really good. The Knorr Chicken Stock Cube really makes a difference. It tastes like it has been simmered for hours, but you only cook it for less than 30 minutes. Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. My name is Roland, and today we are super excited to share with you this delicious recipe known as Huatiao Chicken Noodles or Huatiao鸡汤面that features the secret ingredient to elevate the flavor, Knorr Chicken Stock Cubes. Knorr Chicken Stock Cubes are made from real chicken. They are convenient and flavorful. They can enhance the flavor of any of your dishes, from soup to gravies. With Knorr Chicken Stock Cubes, you can create wholesome meals for you and your family within a short time. Let me show you how to use Knorr Chicken Stock Cube in this recipe. So let's start cooking. Now we'll start to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 220 grams of boneless chicken leg. I've taken off the skin. You can use chicken breast meat if you want. Slice them thinly like this. The marinade is very simple. Add in 1 tablespoon of premium Huatiao or Chinese cooking wine, which is 15 years and above, or get the more expensive one. Add in 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/3 of a teaspoon of sugar, a few dashes of white pepper, as well as half a tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well, and we'll marinate this for 10 to 20 minutes. We don't have to marinate this for long because they are sliced very thinly. And while waiting for this to be ready, we'll prepare our ingredients and cook some sunny side ups. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put our dish together using a deep pan or a wok. Turn the heat to medium-low. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add in 1 thumb-sized ginger, sliced thinly. Spread them out. 1 whole shallot, sliced thinly. Put them into. We'll fry them until fragrant. Once you can start to smell them, we'll add in our garlic. 2 cloves of garlic, sliced thinly. Put them all in. Move them around. It's smelling very nice now. Now we're adding our chicken. Pour everything in. We'll fry them until we do not see any redness on the meat. Move them around. You can turn the heat now to medium. Let the chicken absorb the beautiful sesame oil that we have flavored with the garlic, the shallots, as well as the ginger. This dish is super easy to make, very convenient and very delicious. Once you do not see any redness in the chicken, we'll add in water. Add in 1.2 liters of water. Stir it up a little bit. Add in half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. 2 pieces of angelica roots to give you this very light herbal taste. And most important of all, 1 Knorr Chicken Stock Cube. This is naturally tasty, lower in sodium, with no added MSG, and made with real chicken. And this is certified a healthier choice by the Singapore Health Promotion Board. Just put it in, super tasty, and it saves you a lot of time. Put it in. Now we'll put the lid on and wait for this to come to a boil. I'll see you back in a while. The soup has come to a boil. Once it's boiling, add in 2 tablespoons of Huatiao. Premium Huatiao is what I'm using right now. Pour it in. Put the lid back on again. And we'll cook this for another 2 minutes. We want to evaporate the alcohol because we only want the beautiful fragrance from the premium Huatiao. 2 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really good. Now we add in our noodles. I'm using mi suan or flour vermicelli over here. You can use any noodles that you want. 2 portions of it. Just put it in. Make sure that the water is boiling. Add in 1 teaspoon of wolfberries. And we'll cook the noodles to the texture that we like. I'm using flour vermicelli or mi suan for this because I really like the combination of this flour vermicelli with this beautiful soup that we're making over here. Excellent. My kitchen is really smelling very good now. This is like a homemade broth but without any hassle. The noodles are almost done. Right, now we add in our greens. Add in a small bunch of your favorite greens. I'm using Chai Xing over here. Put it in. This cook very, very fast. Once they have softened, we turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. And there you have it, a soul-warming Huatiao Chicken Noodles made even better with Knorr Chicken Stock Cube. Let's give it a taste. This is really good. The chicken stock cube really makes a difference to this dish. It tastes like it's been simmered for hours, but you actually cook it for less than 30 minutes. This is really comfort food for you and your family. Try it and you'll know. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Go and get your Knorr Chicken Stock Cubes now, and it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye. Wow.